gave me 2 hours with this truck. He only gave me 2 hours with this truck.
You got a ticket in. You got a ticket in.
It was right here. So I gotta take it back.
I'm talking about this stuff.
Oh,
He's coming.
Go. He all the way down there, like I just did. Jayon Willis and Jaquan Willis.